Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We're going to look at the GL320 240 volt machine this time. So I'm just going to unpack it here. So this machine does come in 12 volt. Some people like it in 240 volt. So I'm going to unpack it so you can see it, see what's inside it. This is how it comes when it's delivered. So I'll just adjust the lighting there. That's a little bit better. Okay. So first thing we see here is we have a product warranty card. Good machines, you won't be needing that. Some instruction manual there. Comes with that. It's just basically very generic information. The belt, the cutter, how to swap them. It's in two different languages. How to cut a key as well. Looking inside the box here. Just unpack this. So we have our cable here. And this is a 240 volt Australian. Sorry, you can't see it there. 240 volt Australian plug. That goes onto your standard computer or kettle plug there, so that's quite standard. Sorry, I'll see if I can. Okay, that's in focus again. Looking over this side, you have your paintbrush, Allen key tips. They also include some brushes in here as well, which is quite handy. You probably never need them. A handle for the front of the machine. I have to try and get it out of this packaging. Okay, almost there. Okay, so here's the machine. Comes with a little bag of beads, silica beads. Don't eat them. Okay, so here is the machine here. Now there are two different models of this one. This is the 240 volt one. We also have the 12 volt one. This one has the wider spacing here for the larger keys. Okay, as you can see, it's not here, it's been moved over. This one doesn't have the brush. We can order with the brush if you want. And you basically just screw your handle in there, rotate left and right, and you can start cutting the key. Has your little key tip stops up the front here. 4-way jaws as normal. You loosen this off. Loosen it off, lift it up and rotate it. Just like that. On the side you have your power, and that's pretty much it. So this is a good size key machine for anyone in a shop that just wants a little tiny key machine. You load your keys in, you move it backwards, left and right, and away you go. Down the front here as well you have push to reset, so that's a circuit breaker down the front. Not that you'll need it, but if you dig into the key too hard and you strain the motor, it looks like it has some sort of safety feature. Up the top here you have your little nut to stop you not digging into your jaws or anything like that, so you don't cut into your jaws. You have your guide, which is adjustable here and here. You also have your cradle to adjust this one, but I wouldn't adjust that. That will come out perfect from manufacturer. So this is a 240 volt model without buffing wheel on the side, and comes with the brushes, the kit, and the power cord. All available from drlock.com.au. Thanks for watching.